In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete characters on Character.AI. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Character.AI and click the official result for Character.AI. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your creations. Before we proceed, here's an important note. As of now, Character.AI does not provide an official delete button to permanently remove a single character from their servers. You can't fully erase a character you created without deleting your entire account. Because of that limitation, the best approach is to hide the character from others and scrub its details so it's effectively removed from public view and no longer recognizable. From the Character.AI homepage, look to the lower left corner and click your profile. Then select Public Profile. Here, you'll see the list of characters you've created. Choose the character you want to retire and click Edit. Now we'll clear or overwrite its details. Rename the character to something generic, change the avatar image by uploading a different one or using a neutral graphic, and update the description so it no longer contains identifying information or unique lore. Also edit the greeting so new chats don't reference the old personality or backstory. Think of this step as wiping the slate clean so the character is no longer findable or meaningful to other users. Next, make the character private. Go to Visibility and choose Private. This setting removes the character from public discovery, so only you can access it. It's the key move that effectively takes the character out of circulation. When you're done, click Save and Chat to apply the changes. This locks in the new name, image, and profile details, and ensures the visibility setting is active. Finally, handle any chat history. Open the conversation with that character and remove past messages or clear the thread. Cleaning up old conversations helps prevent old prompts or replies from resurfacing in your own account and completes the process of retiring the character. That's the full workaround. Access Character.AI, open your profile, edit the character, overwrite its details, set it to private, save your changes, and clear the chat history. While it isn't a true deletion, this method hides the character from others and strips away its content, which is the most practical solution given the current tools. Interfaces can change over time, so if you notice different labels or button placements, follow the same principles. Edit, privatize, save, and clean up your chats.